How to find Clipboard on Android phone. In this video, I'll show you how to find and use the Clipboard on your Android phone, where all your copied text is saved. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content. Let's get started. First, open any app where you can bring up your keyboard, such as Messages or Notes. Once the keyboard appears, look at the top menu. You should see a Clipboard icon there. If you don't see it, tap on the 4 dots menu icon to reveal more options and then select Clipboard. If your Clipboard is not enabled, it won't save any copied text. You may see an option that says Turn on Clipboard or a toggle switch. Make sure to turn it on so it can start saving your copied items. Once enabled, every time you copy text, it will be stored in your Clipboard history. You can open the Clipboard anytime and scroll through all your copied items. To paste something, simply tap on the item you want, and it will instantly appear in your text field. If you copy new text, it will automatically be added to the top of your Clipboard as the most recent item. To delete anything from your Clipboard, tap the pencil Edit icon, select the items you want to remove, and then tap the Delete option. This will permanently remove them from your Clipboard. That's it. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up.